Hi, this is Sri from TechieTalksAI. If you're still pasting raw API keys like SK hyphen and so on into your OpenClaw config, you're probably leaking money. When every agent runs on an individual key, you pay retail. You risk key leaks and you miss out on organizational level credit pools. Today, I'm showing you how to switch OpenAI and Anthropic over OAuth. It's cheaper, it is safer, and it takes 5 minutes. Why OAuth? Here is the deal. Raw API keys are tied to individual developer limits. If you accidentally commit a key, bots drain your wallet. By switching to OAuth, like the OpenAI Codex OAuth flow, your OpenClaw gateway authenticates directly with the provider as an authorized application. You pool your usage under an enterprise or team tier, which often unlocks volume discounts, better rate limits, and zero risk of hard-coded secret leaks. Let's start with OpenAI. Instead of storing the key in your profile, we tell OpenClaw to use OAuth flow. In your terminal, run OpenClaw auth login OpenAI. So here, I'm executing OpenClaw models status probe. See this? OpenClaw model status probe. Okay, that is the command to execute to see the status. So here, this is my terminal output. I have recorded this just for this video. So here, so this is the output of the model that I have configured in OpenClaw, which is running on another machine. Okay, so if you see OpenAI GPT 5.1 Codex, which is one of the default models, it is using API key. See this API key? And this is also using API key. So this is something that I've configured newly. So we need to get rid of these API key based access completely to avoid API key leak and also reduce the token cost. So in your terminal, what you need to run? OpenClaw auth login OpenAI. So let me see if I have that command. OpenClaw auth login OpenAI. So that will begin the authorization process. This pops open a browser window. You log into OpenAI website and your account and authorize the CLI. Once approved, you can close the browser window and OpenClaw stores a secure rotating token. No more SK- keys or API keys. We also adjust our default model fallbacks to the new authenticated session. Now comes Anthropic. Same playbook for Claude. Anthropic's enterprise connections allow you to bind your workspace via OAuth. And the command that you need to execute is this: OpenClaw auth login Anthropic. And it will authenticate through the browser. If your organization has bulk credit commits, your agent usage now drains from that shared bucket instead of your personal credit card. The most important step is cleaning up the mess. Open your OpenClaw workspace and find auth-profiles.json. Delete every single legacy API key you have saved there. If an OAuth token expires, OpenClaw will prompt you to re-authenticate rather than silently falling back to a personal key that charges your private card. Switching to OAuth saved me from tracking a dozen different API keys and instantly lowered my effective cost per token by letting me use our shared organization credits. Before I conclude, let me show you how it should look after you have cleared everything. Okay, so here, let me delete all this. So this is before, and this is after. See this? This is token, and this also is token based, not API key. So API keys, all these have been removed. So that is how you optimize token usage. Drop a comment if you want to see how to set up spending limits per agent. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to TechieTalksAI, and I will see you in the next build. This summer, don't let screens win. Let your child design in 3D, print their creations, and build a real obstacle-avoiding robotic car. Join online or at our Trivandrum Maker Lab. Summer starts April 6th. Book your seat now.